Who'd you say?
On what?
Who'd you say?
On video?
Yeah.
She wanted to.
Just me.
It'll be a while now.
General lettuce. No, here's mine.
There's more from the shelf.
Yeah. You said that was on the floor somewhere?
Here.
So this is one, right?
That would be it.
All right. You want a rag?
I need a rag and I need gloves.
Rubber gloves?
Yes, right behind you. Cause I dread this as hot as this is gonna be. So what have you thought about the coil haul versus the other stuff?
It don't matter to me.
Well, but you may still have an opinion. Say you're pretty steady however it goes.
Yep.
What I like to know is how professionals do this without getting it on them or burning themselves.
You got it?
Yeah. I meant to buy one of them today.
Red rag?
Uh-huh.
I see you got a couple 5,000 watt generators.
Well, if you hadn't sent that to me, I probably wouldn't own them right now. So we're pretty much blaming that on you.
Get another thing oil. That held that whole gallon.
Do what?
So that held that whole gallon.
You okay?
Oh yeah. Gloves.
Iron cup.
Yep.
That's pretty sad.
It is sad. I was
It's
mad.
right at the top there.
I was.
What we need to do, pull one of them out.
She did say that. And I said, and they didn't offer you a grease job at the same time? Because generally, you know, they'll ask you, do you want your tires checked or a grease job?
Yeah.
I'm willing to bet she went with the tires. She had, her front tire had big splits in it.
Where is that? There it is.
Puddles right here. I can't get it to turn.
Hey, what?
I can't get it to turn.
Hold it. I guess it's cause you turned 57.
Maybe. Weak.
Old. All right, we're going to support. Oh, it dropped on there. Oops.
I'll pour some more in this one. It was already open. That's good oil, ain't it?
Yep.
That's 5, 6, counting the one over there on the floor.
Okay.
That's 9. Right there below the ad.
Right below the ad.
Yep.
All right. Let's add one
One more time. See, it's on the D. It's on the first D. Leaking all over the floor.
Where is that one?
See here.
I ain't got my glasses.
It's right here. Between the ad and the full line.
I need
Halfway.
one more.
Yep.
Open it. Look full.
It's just a hair under the full line.
Crank it and then check it again.
Here's your glasses, sir.
Right on the full mark.
Awesome sauce.
Put out a half a gallon, but